Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can create PowerPoint presentation in minutes. Before starting this video, I want to inform all of you I am going to start this series which will include all kind of videos, technology related, education related, research related, which means one-stop solution for all kind of videos for everyone, for student, for researcher, even for anyone. This channel will cover all kind of videos. I am going to start this series. Stay connected, stay tuned. Let's move. First of all, you have to go to the Canva. I already logged into the Canva by using my email. Here in Canva, you can design resumes, CV, presentation, social media, flyer design, logo design, and many more. This is a one-stop solution for designer. Here you have to click on the option where you have to provide the input which will be converted into the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, get started. You can take data from Chatgpt. I give instructions to Chatgpt to create, let's say the topic was global warming. You can give instructions to Chatgpt to create data of your desire. Let me copy this data and paste here. After pasting this data, I will go to the option of convert. Assignment is loading, and here there are different designs. You can choose design of your own choice. Let me choose this design. Look, you can also change the design from these templates. Let me choose this one. Here, this is the PowerPoint assignment. Look, it created a very wonderful assignment. Let me create my presentation. And my presentation is ready. Color, I want to change the slide color. Let me change. I convert it into green color. I even can change. It's up to you. You can change the colors or anything. You can also edit the whole presentation. After editing, you can just download by clicking on the share option and scroll down. That is the download option. And in download option, there are several formats: PNG, PDF, PDF print, PPTX. Click on the PPTX and all pages I want to download and click on the download. And my file is being downloading. You can also edit this presentation here, change anything you want, add anything you want. It's up to you. You can also change the layout, design, and anything you want.